Today is one of those days where I gotta remind myself that everything is temporary. I'm by myself, got 4 fence staining jobs today. It's cool right now, but the temperature's gonna get hot, muggy. But everything's temporary, so let's get to work. Before I stain too much more, I wanted to show, this is the brand new fence that was installed a couple of weeks ago. Starting right here is where we restored the fence last week. You can see it matched all the new fence pretty well, especially once we come through with this cedar tone. You really won't notice a difference from the new panels to the old panels. The day's officially over. It is 3:50. We started at 9, and that was a long day. I was wearing a mask and my nose is all red.